back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus edition.
We got that really good.
I know, we did. Anyways, guys, if you are new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and this is my beautiful oldest daughter. That likes to smack herself. Today's, and by the way, if you guys see this marking on my neck, it's not a hickey. I am a klutz and burnt myself with a curling wand.
Also on her hand.
Did you see?
Oh my gosh,
I
it's peeling. Well, that's obviously not a hickey because hickeys I don't think peel.
Yeah, do they?
Let's see, let's give myself one.
No. If you guys are new to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this is a monthly subscription service where you get, what, 4 to 5 full-size products?
It's always 5. Sometimes
5 full-size products, and it is $25 plus tax depending on where you live. They do give you the option to do some add-ons. So before we
you can pick products.
Which would be an add-on.
No.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You can customize your bag now.
You can. You do get to choose. I'm thinking I think I know which one I picked. I can't remember, but we did do some add-ons, so we're gonna go ahead and get into that. Ipsy does offer a profile type of questionnaire for you guys, so you can go in and fill out a questionnaire talking about your skin tone, your texture, your age, your hair color, all of that. I personally like to lie on mine because that's the only time I get really good things. So I say that I'm in like my early 20s, mid 20s or something like that, and yes, I am condoning lying about it. Well, I have people like, so you're saying that you should be a liar? I'm like, yes I am.
Well, it gets you a better box, so it's stuff like you'll actually use, so why spend money on it if you're not going to use it?
Right? Sassy pants are engaged. Sit down, sis. Here it comes. Oh my god.
Anyways, let's go. Oh, I like more creative makeup. Like, I like color. She likes neutrals.
I'm basic.
Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So the first things I got were in the more expensive category. I got the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin palette. And then I got the Violet Vase.
It's right on the back.
Sorbet.
I'm curious to see what this Nomad looks like.
This one's also on the back, but I don't know if that looks.
So this was $18?
There's
That
skull
is
with
so
mohawks pressed
pretty.
into it.
It's so fall.
Yeah, I don't know if I. Then I got 3 Gigi Gorgeous things. These were each $3 each. So first I got the Gigi Gorgeous The Only Blush. This gloss, which literally looks so good. It's a pink shimmery gloss, a Fenty brush. That's what I was hoping based off the packaging.
Oh, that's pretty. I thought it was going to be more frosted. It's really pretty.
It's
I like
really
that.
smooth. I really like it. I'm excited about that. And then I also got the Gigi Gorgeous chapstick. Yeah.
I don't know much about Gigi Gorgeous. Okay, so that's the shade. That's actually a really pretty shade. But that's what I was saying is I like the compacts. I think that they're nice. Okay, so as far as my add-ons, by the time this video goes up, you guys would have potentially seen my dedicated video to this where I talk about it. But for like $3, I was able to pick up the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana. It's like a little mini. Like I said, it was $3, and I'm getting over the fact that it no longer smells like cocoa buttered popcorn, but it's still a nice little scent, and I really like the formula. The next item I picked up does retail for I think $24 or $26, and I was able to get it for $12, and that is the ColourPop Through My Eyes I Love Sarahi times ColourPop palette, which I actually have this on my eyes today. Hopefully it's focusing for you guys. Yeah. But I love ColourPop formula and their shadows. They're soft, they blend out really nice, and they don't accentuate any type of texture on the lid. So really happy about that. And then the last thing I got that was $3, and I have it on today, and I am in love. And this is the Wonder Beauty highlighter. Like, look at that. I love it. I don't know if it'll show up because
your hair smells good.
Oh, thanks. The one thing that I love about this Wonder Beauty highlighter, and it's called After Hours, is it's soft, it's creamy, and as you guys probably can't see, I showed you guys in my dedicated video of this, it's like, it just blends into the skin beautifully and doesn't accentuate like fine lines, texture, or anything. So super happy about that $3 little bargain.
First of all, we got a bag.
I did.
So I think we're getting bags every month. Oh my tassel. So cute. So I think we're getting bags now, which makes me really excited because why are you calling it Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? If I'm not getting a bag, I'm getting a box.
I have to agree. I like the rose gold accent.
I do too.
So if you guys can see, there's like really light pink in there, and you guys know I love animal print. So
and pink.
Yeah.
I just want to talk about this because this is hydrating. So I got the Illamasqua Hydra Veil.
Thank God you said it.
Rehydrating gel. And it's a primer. And
it retails for
also
like $45.
40, yeah, 45.
Did you get the? I think this is what I got to pick.
The bronzer duo?
Yeah, the Gigi Gorgeous, the bronzer duo.
Is yours in Trenton Extra?
Yeah.
So we both got this. My mom picked hers.
Did you not pick yours?
No, I didn't. I forgot to pick anything this month.
So here's an up close of the colors. A good contour shade, a nice little bronzer shade. And I actually mixed them together and they, you know, complement each other nicely.
I like these because I like to put them on my wall.
I mentioned that. I was like, ooh, this is nice that it's not just plain plastic.
Yeah.
So the Gigi Gorgeous retails for $24. Okay. Okay, what's your next item?
My London Dewy Stick Luminizing Highlighting Balm.
That's what it looks like up close. And as you guys know,
sorry.
Are you swatching yours?
I will. Oh. Oily. Which means it will probably take off foundation. And it blends out.
It smells like Vaseline. There is no swatch. It just rubbed completely gone. Oh wait. Okay, wait. There is a little bit of an illumination.
Like this would be if you're just going for a healthy, dewy, no makeup look.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how much is in here.
Well,
this much.
Yeah, you get a lot more than you did in last month's little highlighter. Mine's gonna go into a giveaway, and like I said, if you guys saw the dedicated video, I am offering giveaways just for my Patreon. So if you want to become part of our Patreon family, check my description box down below, because we're going to be doing giveaways over there that aren't over here.
Also, you should definitely check my mom's description box for my channel, because I'm doing a video soon. Hopefully by the time this goes up. I'm starting a jewelry business because I don't make enough to pay my bills now that I'm in school. Anyways, next item.
What? Go ahead and show your stuff.
Which one?
I'm excited about that. What's that?
This is a lipstick. You wouldn't wear this color.
No.
It's called Smoking on Screen.
That casing.
The packaging is beautiful. I have to get up to show you guys this a little bit. It's like indented. Focus camera. There you go.
That's nice.
And it's like, boop. Ooh, and there's little stars on there.
This is retail for what brand?
$26. Oh, it is the, oh, it's magnet. Oh, I love a good magnet lipstick. Belle in Argent. A Tour Cream Lip Color and Smoking on Screen.
Huh. So the next item I got is by Mira. This is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. I think I need to definitely go back into my profile. I'm gonna have to go back into my profile because back when I filled it out, I did have extremely oily skin. So now my skin is more like normal to dry. So there's that. And that retails for $22 in case I forgot to tell you guys.
So my next item is from the brand Deuce. This is the Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. Looks like this. Packaging is kind of cool with that little thing.
Yeah.
But it says, if you love the look of false lashes, then this mascara is for you. It delivers drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping. It's from Deuce, a beauty brand founded by two fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. So it retails for $24.
The next item, or the last item I got, is a mascara as well. Trestique, I think. I don't know. But on one end, it has like where it curls your lashes, and then mascara on the other. I know we've gotten this in other boxes. I've not tried it yet, but it does retail for $25. So give me your thoughts on your box.
I like everything. I'm excited about the hydrating primer because it's getting cold and dry this winter. I love that lipstick for fall. This is not my favorite box, but it's a good box. And I really like the Gigi Gorgeous thing. I really don't like that liquid, or this glow. No, I don't like this glow stick. It's really oily. Like, my skin feels soft where it was, but like, I might use it like as a hydrator on my face or something. And then mascara, I like mascara, but I don't even know if I'll try it because I really, really love my lip and lash extension. So that's everything.
Yeah, not my favorite box that we've gotten from Ipsy. I don't think it's a horrible box. As far as which box I think wins, maybe a tie.
I was gonna say, I think it's a tie.
I would say it's a tie.
Well, you didn't really want the acne cream.
No,
color.
but I really wouldn't want your dark lipstick, so.
That's true.
Yeah. Overall, I think it's a tie, but I don't know. Make sure to subscribe and be watching for Ipsy versus Boxycharm. That'll be coming up later in the month. Don't forget to subscribe to Hailey's channel. We'd love to have you subscribe before you leave over here. I do have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, as well as my Patreon link will be linked down below for you guys. Anyways, I've got to hop off. She's got to hop off. We got to get to go. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
You do a long kiss.
I do.